If you're seeing Premiere Pro error code 81 or even importer error 81 while editing, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to work as fast as possible. This error usually points to a conflict during installation or updating, where another Adobe process is already running in the background. In some cases, it can also happen inside Premiere Pro while importing media, which means the fix depends on when the error appears. I'll show you both situations so you can follow the right method for your problem. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Premiere Pro troubleshooting guides just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to make more videos that solve real editing problems. Let's start with the most common fix first. If you're getting error code 81 during installation or an update, the fastest thing to try is a full computer reboot. This sounds simple, but it's often the best way to clear stuck Adobe installers in background processes that don't close properly. Restart your computer completely, then wait for it to load back up before opening anything else. After the reboot, try launching Creative Cloud or Premiere Pro again and check whether the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to manually end any Adobe-related tasks that may still be running in the background. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. On Mac, open Activity Monitor from Applications, then Utilities. Look for anything with names like Setup, Installer, Adobe, Creative Cloud, or similar background services. If you see one running, select it and end the task. This can clear out a stuck installation process that is blocking Premiere Pro from continuing. Now, if that still does not solve it, the next option is to use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This is especially helpful when there are corrupted installation files or broken update components causing the error. The Cleaner tool removes damaged Adobe traces so you can start fresh. After downloading and running the Cleaner, follow the prompts carefully, remove the problematic Adobe components, and then try the installation or update again through Creative Cloud. Another thing to check is whether you have multiple Adobe installers running at the same time. This can happen if you clicked Install more than once, or if another Adobe app is updating in the background while Premiere Pro is trying to install. Make sure only one Adobe process is active at a time. If needed, close Creative Cloud, wait a moment, and then launch only the app you actually want to install or update. Now let's switch to the other scenario, because sometimes people say error 81 when they actually mean importer error 81 inside Premiere Pro while editing. If that's what you're seeing, the issue is usually related to media handling rather than installation. In that case, the first fix to try is updating or rolling back your graphics drivers. Premiere Pro depends heavily on your GPU, and a bad driver version can trigger import and playback issues. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, check for the latest stable driver, and install it. If the problem started after a recent driver update, rolling back to a previous stable version may work better. If the driver change does not help, create a brand new project and import the problematic sequence or media into that new project. Sometimes the original project file itself becomes slightly corrupted, and moving the media into a fresh project can bypass the issue. This is a really useful test because it helps you figure out whether the problem is with the project or with the source files. You should also check the media file paths carefully. If a file was moved, renamed, or stored on an external drive that is no longer connected properly, Premiere Pro may throw an importer error. Try relocating the source media back to its original folder, or rename files and folders to something simple and clean. Avoid special characters and very long file paths, because those can sometimes cause problems too. If you are still stuck after trying these steps, then the safest approach is to go back through the list in order. Reboot first, end background processes next, use the Adobe Cleaner tool if necessary, and make sure there are no overlapping installers running. If it is an editing or import issue, focus on your GPU driver's project file in media locations. The key is to identify whether you are dealing with an installation conflict or a media import problem, because error 81 can mean two different things depending on when it appears. Once you know that, the fix becomes much easier. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting, editing tips, and quick solutions to common Adobe errors. And if you want, check the description for useful links and extra resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.